Hello guys, this is my Midnight Gambler, and as you can see it's pretty well beat up, so it's time this one is going to get a revamp. But I'm going to do this one backwards. In other words, I'm going to show you in the pond first, and then we'll strip it all down, rebuild it and make it pretty again. The reason I want you to see this boat is I've never seen any of these on YouTube, and believe you me, this is a really good boat. So here we go, I'm going to give you a show. As I said, great little boat. Right guys, as you can see, the way the boat lies in the water, it's got a flood chamber on the left hand side, the port side, and that fills with water. That's the self-righting mechanism on this boat. It doesn't seem to be a very popular boat, and I have no idea why, because it's a fantastic boat. The only thing is, when you're starting off, it goes a bit slow until all that water comes out the back there. You see, I think maybe you might be able to see the holes in the back there. It sucks out the back there, you see, from the rear. So, you know, fantastic boat. I just love it to bits.